Moving on to metrics, we're going to be looking at Metrics Explorer. So Metrics Explorer is a subservice of Azure Monitor that allows you to plot charts, visualize correlating trends, and investigate spikes and dips in metric values. So the idea is you can create a really cool graph like that, and you can make a variety of different ones based on how you want to chart it out. But let's talk about how would we define one of these metric visualizations in Metric Explorer. So you got this cool bar, and the idea is you got to fill it all the way to the end, and then that will visualize it for us. The first is the scope. So you're going to open this up, and it's going to allow you to select resources. So it'll show you like subscription and stuff like that, and resource groups, but always makes you select a resource at the end. And some services you can select multiple resources, and some you can only select a single instance. So with storage account there, it's only going to be a single one there. So I had one called Daystrom Institute I made. And then there you're going to choose a namespace. So this is a specific group of metric data within a resource. So notice like it makes sense for a storage account that it would show account, blob, file, queue, table. It's going to vary based on your service. Then you actually have the metric you care about. So we have availability, egress, ingress, etc., and a bunch of other things. You're going to choose one of those. And then you're going to choose how you want to aggregate it. So average, min, max, etc. And again, this is going to be totally different based on what resources you choose, but that's generally how it works.